watcher. Throughout November, a company called Evaporust are running a challenge on Instagram called No Rust November. My objet d'art that I'm going to use is this little weight. I love these sort of weights. Got lots of character. They're great for weighing down sort of glue ups, etc. in carpentry. It's just a little £7 weight that I picked up recently. I think it was a £5, but it's all rusty and nasty. And let's see what the Evaporust can do, shall we? Okay, in the Evaporust it goes. Oh, it's not deep enough, so we'll put it on its side. Okay, see you in the morning. Okay, it's the next day. Time to get this out of the Evaporust. Hopefully that ain't as cold as it was last night. Oh, it's pretty cold still. Right, I need to strain my Evaporust. As you can see, there's a load of crud in the bottom. Let's put that in some water. Close that down. Put this in some water and just get the Evaporust off of this. I literally need to go out and pick up some bits and pieces. So I'm going to dry this off once I've got the Evaporust off, and I'm going to come back and deal with this either tonight, like in an hour or so, because it's about 3:30 now. Run out and get some errands, or tomorrow morning. As you can see, the Evaporust has worked pretty well on that. There's a couple of discoloured points, but we'll hit that with a wire wheel, and that should come up lovely. That's not too bad, is it? It's a huge improvement on what it was. You know, just using it as a weight, you could probably just leave it as it is. It's not too bad at all. But because this is a challenge, I want to do something with it. I want to tart it up a little bit. So we won't leave it there. We'll do some more stuff. Right, so I'm back from the errands, and this has dried off. You can see, I don't know whether or not it was the Evaporust. Didn't take it off, or whether I'd left it, washed it in water and left it for a couple of hours. I don't think so. But there's still fair little bits of rust on it. A few bits and pieces. So we'll see what the wire wheel can do with this. Whenever you're using the wire wheel, always put your safety goggles on. Put quite a lot of cast marks in there. Okay, now that's shaking the daylights out of the whole shed. This is the initial wire wheel finished. Let's have a quick butchers. The post wire wheel butchers. Butchers is Cockney rhyming saying for look. Butchers hook, look. So let's have a butchers. I need to get in here. I need to still get like a Dremel or something and get the top, get the ring, get the hook that the ring goes on, and the letters. Still got this to do. We've still got the top, but the initial butchers doesn't look too bad. Well, I think that's pretty much done. Just gotta decide which colour to paint it now. I think I'm going to go for gunmetal. Bought some some gunmetal spray, and also got some sunset orange. So one of these two, or maybe a combination of both. Maybe gunmetal everywhere and then orange in this bit in here. I'm going to give it a wipe down with methylated spirits, denatured alcohol this is called in the States. Give it a wipe down with this. Has now been cleaned in denatured alcohol. Methylated spirits, whatever you want to call it. Right, it's 8 o'clock. I'm going in. Daniel Dubois is fighting Joe Joyce. Gonna watch the undercard, watch the boxing, come back, spray this bad boy up tomorrow. So this is my temporary spray booth setup. Now we need, which one do we need? We need a bit of primer. We'll use this one. Shake for at least a minute. Okay, a couple of things to report. One, we want this section here with a 7LB, the inset, to be orange. Now I'm going to mask that off and do the rest of it gunmetal. So that's why I've sprayed the rest of it to get here. I wasn't going to spray this, the bit at the top, because I was concerned that the paint wasn't going to stick to it, and as you can see where the wire is holding it up, the paint's coming off. And if we move this, every time we move this, we get paint coming off there. So this isn't going to work, and that was my concern, but I gave it a go. So the primer held, the top layer held, but the paint on the ring, as suspected, keeps chipping off as it hits this bit here. So I'm gonna get rid of this paint, just take it back down to bare metal. Finished result. So this has been put in the evaporust, wire wheeled, it's been primed, it's had gunmetal put on it, orange in the insert, letters picked out in black. I did spray this but it kept coming off, so I've left it as it is. But that is my refurbished £7 Grocers weight, which was meant to be put in the no rust November for Evaporust, but because this thing kept messing up, I'm a couple of days over. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to press that like button and the bell, get notification when I do new videos. Hope to do a few more refurbishments soon. See ya!